Greetings. This week we're going to talk about a new feature in Zervicepoint, and I'm not sure if it has been released yet because I'm not sure when we'll publish this video, but hopefully this has just been published when you're viewing this video. Internally we call it link services, and I'm not going to talk that much more. I'm just going to show you. In the previous video we did a table page and we called it user administration, and we could update our users and list our users from here. And the way to access it is through a page, and pages appear up here in Zervicepoint. We know that some of you would like to have it differently. You would like to have a service tile for it. And we can do that now. We go into services and we click on create link. We have a drop down here now on the services view. And we call this user admin link service, perhaps. Choose page. And we'll link it to this page. We can add a name for it. Let's take the same name. We can have an image. Let's find a funny image. User administration. So many funny images to choose from. Better. Okay, we're going with this one. We can make it recommended as well. And there we have it. So if I click that now, you see that we get into the user administration table page. Cool, okay. And the other thing we can do is we can create a link to wherever we want. So let's say we are Sävedalens psych, and we want to maybe want to link some kind of document here. So we just take one here. Cool, I copy that link and let's go. Let's take a logo as well. Maybe this one. Oh, not a good format. Let's take this one. Good. I'm just gonna give it an identifier. And paste the URL here, or we can choose if we'd like to open it in a new tab or in the same tab. I'm going with new tab. Let's make it recommended as well. And we click it and we get a new tab. So a minor feature, but at least a handful of you have requested it. So now we have it. And thanks for watching. Be sure to watch next week of this week's Code Cookie. Bye.